Can you see that in this problem we're starting with a rate, 30 hours per week. $13.50 per hour is another rate, and we're going to have an answer in dollars per week. How much will I earn each week? So hopefully you can envision fraction times fraction equals fraction for this question. And I forgot to show the canceling, but 30 hours per week, $13.50 per hour, and because hours and hours cancel out, which is what I'm trying to do here, and it's not working. There's the pencil. Okay, so hours cancels with hours. And then we end up with $405 per week. So I got that by taking 30 times 13.5 equals $405. Notice the dollars were still left and the weeks were still left. Is that easy? I hope it's easy for you. So next question, try it on your own. $800 per month times $13.50 per hour. This time I'm trying to end up with hours per, I think we're going to end up with hours per month. The hours I need to work each month in order to pay the rent. $800 a month. 1 hour earns me $13.50. Notice that in this problem, it's the same rate as we had before, but it's upside down. And the reason is because in this case, it's the dollar signs that are canceling out. We don't have hours and hours to cancel out. So $800 per month, and then 1 hour per $13.50, which sounds a little weird, but we can flip these fractions in order to make things cancel out, in this case dollars. So both of these rates are equivalent, we're just using the one that makes sense in this situation. And this time I would take 800 times 1 and 1 times $13.50, and so I'm going to take 800 divided by 13.5, which is 59.26 hours per month. Because this is in the bottom, we divide 800 times 1, and then we divide by 13.50. Doesn't really matter if I do the times 1 or not, it's the same result. Okay, so explain the information each fraction is giving. This is a little bit of a puzzle for you to figure out, but 3 runs per week, that's how often somebody might go out and exercise. 45 minutes per run is how long each run lasts. 1 hour per 60 minutes is just a fact, a conversion fact. And 6 miles per hour is how fast this person runs. I looked up a average running speed and inserted that as our last rate. So we have 4 rates. And your job is to explain what each of them is given, and then go back and cancel whatever matches in the top and bottom. So runs cancels runs, minutes cancels minutes, and hours cancels hours. So we're going to end up with miles per week. We're going to find out how many miles this person runs every week. So when I multiply my numbers across, I get 810 and I get 60. So I need to take 810, my top answer, divided by 60, my bottom answer. Just to back up, 3 times 45 times 1 times 6, that's how I got the 810, right? Multiplying straight across, and then the final step is division, 13.5, and then you're like, what units should I put? Well, include the only units that are left.